Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let us see how to draw a map visualization in Power BI. Okay, in order to draw a map visualization in Power BI, we should have to have some get some data. Okay, in order to get some data, we should have to have some data source. Okay, in order to get the data source, you can get in any of the format, like it could be Excel, Power BI, data flow, dataverse, SQL, analysis, text, anything. Okay, you can just click on this more option. You will be able to see various data sources. Okay, please go through the other videos so that I have already explained you how to get the complete data. Okay, so as of now, let's see what exactly this map visualization is. Map visualization is something like Power BI offers various map visualizations like field maps, shape maps, and custom maps visualizations for geospatial data representation. Okay, in order to represent geospatial, okay, by sector, country, or city, or something like that, if you want to represent such type, okay, you can use this map visualization. Okay, so in order to represent this map visualization, you should have to select the entities. Okay, the column names. Okay, you can just select by the location. Okay, I'm trying to draw a map. Okay, where I have to find the sales. Okay, by region, highest sales. Okay, by customer name. Okay, I'm just selecting customer name. Okay, and sales, and then the region. Okay, I'm just trying to do that. So this is how you can draw the map visualization. I have selected here this map. Okay, this is how you can draw a map visualization in Power BI. Okay, um, so I have selected it in the first way. Okay, I have selected the column names. That was the reason you have got it wrong. Okay, at first you have to select the map, then you have to select the column names. Okay, so as of now, I'm just selecting customer name. Okay, customer name. Okay, and the legend. In the legend, I'm taking the region. Okay, and the sales. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, let's pull in customer name into the location. Okay, customer name in the location, and in the legend we are trying to put region. Okay, so by sales we are trying to do that, right? So you can just see which one is high. Okay, by seeing this visualization you can just drag it here, just put the cursor. Okay, so that you will be able to know how many sales we have done in that particular region. Okay, so if it is too short, then the sales are low. So see, if you can see here, right, some of the sales are 285. That was the reason it was showing a small circle. Okay, as it was 208. Okay, it is showing a little bit bigger. Yeah, here you can see 332. Okay, that was the reason it is showing bigger circle. Okay, based on the sales, okay, you are getting that number. Okay, and the size. Okay, so let me do some slicing and dicing part here. Let me do that. Okay, let me put it in the middle. Okay, so I'm just trying to drag it here. Okay, and let me change the color. Okay, let me put it yellow. Okay, yellow is not generally suggested. Let me put it in blue. Okay, and let me increase the size. Okay, size and the fonting style. Okay, let me put it like this. Okay, now it seems the look and feel is good, right? This is how you can prepare a map chart in Power BI. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. I request you to please go through other videos also, and please subscribe so that it will be helpful for us. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.